Hello, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I have a package from Diamond Art Emporium. Something on my glasses, and it was a smudge, a little smudge. And don't do what I did. Don't clean your glasses on your shirt. Don't do that. But I just wanted to quickly get it off. Now I can see you better. Yep. So I got this package. I won a gift card. I think it was November, and I wanted to use it because Ren had a big sale on Diamond Art Emporium this week. So I thought, what better time than to pick something out on his website than now? Okay. Now, I think I remember what I ordered. It was an in-stock kit, so it came pretty quick. But I don't remember if I ordered the owl or the dragon. So let's take a look. So this is the box it came in. As you can see, Diamond Art Emporium. And it's pretty wrapped up. Let's see. I think the way to open this is this way. So, okay. Oh, we have one more section. I didn't even see it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is my packing slip. Oh, yeah. I cheated. It tells me what I ordered right here. Yeah. Right out of the box. I love it. Well, hold on. So, here is, I guess this is a free gift. I don't remember ordering this. And it doesn't have it on my sheet. Thank you. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, and look, an N. An N. What do you think that stands for? Nancy. Thank you so much. I was not expecting this at all. Look at that. I love it. Yeah, let's put it there. Isn't that pretty? I like it. And I love that tray. Okay. So I ordered some round special drills because I don't have any. Well, I have some, but I wanted to order colors I did not have. So I got the purple and the pink, and these are fairy dust. I think that's what they call them. Let me see. They are called, yep, fairy dust. They are called fairy dust, and I ordered them in round because I don't have too many round fairy dust. So I got those. And I got this one. This is like an ivory and a yellow. So these were the four that I got. Aren't they pretty? Definitely pretty. They will be used on a round canvas. I'm excited. Thank you so much for my bonus. Look at the paw. He loves animals, loves dogs. Oh, I like it. So far, you knocked it out of the park there. Okay. Lots of paper wrapped very nicely. Aw, look at the cute little stickers. Ooh. All right, everybody. Like when you're seeing fireworks. Ooh. Ah, look at that. This bag is a little ripped, but that's okay because the box is in great shape. And these are kitted up in baggies already. I'm not a fan of baggies, but they're easy enough to pour in containers. So this one, okay. Paperwork, paperwork, paperwork. 67 colors. Just kidding. I'm thinking they're 95 colors. Yeah, I think that's the highest number I see is 95. And then we have 3 ABs and 3 fairy dust. Oh my gosh, 6 special drills in this. There's the thumbnail. Berklee. There's a fairy dust. Here's an AB. Here's an AB. This is a square kit. Oh, we got 2 bags of that 37. Nope, they're 2 different shades. 2 different shades of the yellow and fairy dust. These 2. Oh, fairy dust, the purple, and a blue. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at what it looks like. Well, today is my wedding. Yesterday was my wedding anniversary, 39 years. So this morning, my husband made me breakfast, and you didn't even notice that I stopped. I paused the video. We were just about to take a look at this guy. Look at him. And there is rubber bands on the canvas, and there is a tube. I don't know if you can see that. The tube in here to keep the shape. And I don't know where the other rubber band went. There it is. All right. Which way is up? I don't know which way is up. Okay. I think this way is up. Nope. This way is up. Oh, this is nice. There is 95 colors. And these are stickers. And their ABs are kind of mixed up all in here, but they're all, it's by DMC number. So Your first AB is number 318, and it's right after 317, but before 322. And then fairy dust 550, etc. They're not at the end or at the beginning. They are interfiled by DMC number. So I like that because when I kit up, I don't go by DMC anyway. I go by letters, numbers, then various symbols. So, okay. And I like that you have this inventory sheet. I don't have to make a copy. He did that for me. That's perfect. 95 colors. That is a lot of colors. I think this is going to be the most colors I've ever worked on. So this is Berklee. It's a 50 by 65 centimeters. Let me see if it's in English. Let me see if it's in inches anywhere. No. But you could figure it out. Just go on Google or ask AI and say, hey, what is 50 by 65 in inches? And it'll tell you. So there is their branding, their name up there, the name of the canvas. Diamond Art Emporium. This is licensed art, so don't worry. Look at the drill field. Oh, there's a cute little symbol. It looks like a spaceship. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to try and zoom you in a little bit. But there's a spaceship. Right. Where is it? Here's the spaceship. There he is. Right there. It's like a UFO. It looks like it's trying to land or take off. That's the image I see when I look at that. But I like that this is dulled down, meaning when I put these drills on, it's going to pop with color. I don't like when a canvas is, when it is just gorgeous enough that you don't have to complete the image and just hang it up because no one's going to see the little squares. This you do have to cover, and it's going to be beautiful. Where are my colors? Here they are. I'm super excited. But when am I going to do this one? I don't know. But I wanted to use the gift card. Look at the colors. These colors do not reflect on this canvas. So this is going to be, the colors are just going to come to life. It's going to make this image just pop. 95 of them, guys. This will be the canvas with the most colors so far. I don't even know what Candy Waterfalls, how many colors that has. That has a lot of colors as well, but I think Candy Waterfalls is only 92, but I'm not sure. If you know how many colors Candy Waterfall is, put that in the comments. And I also want to know how many colors is the most you've ever worked on. This is going to be great. So 29 is the square, purple square. So it's right here. It's going to be in, I don't know what you call these on a dragon. Are they feathers? They're going to be all in there on the dragon. So that, see what I mean? This purple is going to make this pop all in the perimeter of these. I don't know what you call them. Diamonds and stuff. What do you call these on a dragon? What are these? Are these feathers or what are they? And they're just going to pop with that. Super exciting. Yellow. 65. Where are you going to go? You are the check mark. And the check mark is all around here. Wow, there's a lot of it. A lot of check marks everywhere. So in there. And then 15. 15 is, it looks like a bee. So where is the bee? Now I'm having a hard time finding where it is. Here. It's going to be some back in here. So it's going to be there. And then the other yellow, 37, is the up arrow. And that one's also going to be mixed in here around the dragon. And then we got 56. And that's an R. And that's going to be in the dragon's face. And 43, whoops, I lost my tube, is a club. So that's going to be on the outside. This is going to be great. This canvas, see what I mean about the colors? You don't see those in here. You don't see the deep purple. And you don't see the bright yellows on the canvas. So you have to place the drills down. And this picture is going to pop. It's going to be beautiful. You're going to have to stay tuned for when I go to do this. I don't know when I'm going to do it, but Diamonds and Stuff does do a dragon event every year. So I may do it for her event. If you know when her event is, put it in the comments. I think it was January last time she had one. So let me know. I'm super excited about this one. I'm glad I was able to get my hands on it. And, oh, let's check the stick. Now, the cover is very, very thin. I don't like that. But I can cut part off and then put release papers for the whole section that I'm going to be working on. I don't have to keep this on when I go to do it. The stick is really strong, really strong. I'm curious to see how the drills, if you can, when you place them, if you can move them a little bit, or if once they're on, they're on. I'm curious to see how that is. Does anybody know? Has anyone worked on a Diamond Art Emporium kit before? When you place the drills on the canvas, can you shift them a little? Because, you know, sometimes you put the drills on and you want to shift it just a little bit. Let me know if you're able to do that. So, thank you for all of my goodies, my surprises, that, and of course my N. I love it. You went above and beyond. You sure did. There's 2 of those colors, and here's the other 2. I wanted rounds because I don't have many round special drills. So there we go. These are my goodies from Diamond Art Emporium. Thank you, Ren. You went above and beyond. This is amazing. I can't wait to place drills on this beauty. And everyone, be kind. And I will see you on the next one.